So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with lots of important opportunity from the Dell technology and the important hiring. So if you are either 2024, 2025 or 2026 pass out, then this video is gonna important to you. So first important opportunity that is from the Dell technology, and they are hiring for the role of software engineer 1 or SC1 positions, and job location will be Bangalore. So what will be your responsibility? You will be responsible to develop, test and troubleshoot software applications, and this is a wonderful opportunity, and this is an entry level position. Just you will require the basic knowledge of programming language, operating system and database. Okay friends, if you need notes and any important study material, then just join our WhatsApp Telegram group. You will get lots of free stuff there. Okay, so this is a wonderful opportunity. You can apply, and last date to apply for this is 31st March 2026. So make sure to keep applying for off-campus ride with your updated resume. A resume play a critical role in selection, all those, and there is a strong chance of getting reward. Okay? Next important company that is from the Babtech Corporation. This is also intern position, and 2026 can apply. And sorry for that friends, you can see the vacancy has now expired. So that's the thing I want to tell, that keep applying as soon as possible. Okay, next important opportunity for the role of mobile architects. So if you are interested in Android or iOS, and if you have some knowledge in this, then this is a wonderful opportunity. You can just upload your resume and LinkedIn profile and Android or iOS. If you have some experience, then this will be a wonderful opportunity. Moving to next important opportunity, that is from the SAP, and they're hiring for the role of IT Technology Consultant Academy for Cloud Delivery Information Technology. So this is a wonderful opportunity, and this will be a hybrid work, and this is basically graduate program. So freshers are eligible for this, and this below responsibility, you will participate in structure 8 to 12 month of learn and apply program. Means you will be getting training from them, and you will work on SAP technology, and this also have great market in upcoming days, and currently also there are lots of hiring is going on for SAP domain. Okay, so if you need any video related to SAP, then I will also provide video. So freshers are eligible for this, and you should be from B or MTech background from CS, IT or related field. So this is an opportunity you can apply. Moving to next important opportunity, and that is from the Cognizant, and this is a walk-in drive from 25 to 27 March. So today is 2026, and still hiring is going on for 2022, 2023, 2024 and 2025 pass out batch with 3-year full-time degree program. So this will be a timing, and this will be your POC, and what you have to just come with, you should just come with xerox of government issued ID and 2 passport size photographs. So you can just apply from the Naukri. Okay, if I am opening in link a new tab, then you can just go Naukri, and freshers means 0 years are eligible, and this is wonderful opportunity. You will just have these kind of skills, and you can just apply. Okay, make sure to keep applying for off-campus drive too. Okay, don't completely depend on college. In every video I'm saying. Next important opportunity, that is graduates build a career in social impact, 23,000 monthly stipend and field immersion, practicum, leadership, mentorship skills just require, and just go through this. So if you are interested, you can apply. So open to college graduates from any discipline, means if you are from BTech or BCA, MCA, any background are eligible, and there will be selection process, that is the application, aptitude, telephonic interview and direct assessment. And these are the some date: online phase 3 25 March started, and after successful completion there will be aptitude test and admission will be announcement. This, so these are the important, and this have application fee of 500. So if you are interested, you can apply. Friends, if you have been selected for any interview and want to schedule mock interview with us, then you can schedule. We have already provided lots of selection in Cognizant, TCS, Deloitte and other important companies. So if you want to be there, you can just fill the form. Okay. Next opportunity from the Daivik Technology, and location is Kochi. So this is a direct sales executive, sales position, and other second role is junior React native developer. So if you are freshers and if you are looking for a wonderful opportunity, then you can just share your resume to them. Again saying, keep applying with the updated resume. Okay, then only your selection chances will be greater. Next important, hiring graduate trainee and grab the role. So job location will be Bangalore, and you can just connect these HRs, and company name is Firstsource. So just what you have to do, you have to just open this link, and you have to just provide all those basic details. Okay, and application registration CSC India 2026, full name, gender, primary email, Aadhaar number, and your qualifications. If you are from the MCA, BE, BTech, BCA, then this is a wonderful opportunity, you can apply. Moving to next important opportunity, that is for the role of HR. So if you are interested in HR for this position, then you can apply with the link. Last important opportunity, that is from the Salesforce. We have already uploaded a detailed video, so must apply. This is practically for 2026 pass out batch, and application will be closing soon within 2 to 3 days. So don't be late for applying, and if you need any help, we are here to help you, and you can just follow me on LinkedIn, WhatsApp, or Telegram. Jahan question you can ask me, okay, and keep following me on LinkedIn so that you will get job update too, and you can subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.